Okay, bonus video. So I think we need to know how to describe the different, like how we write down the different vectors. So for one vector, there are basically three different ways to write the same thing. So I'm gonna say that your vector has a has a magnitude of 1 and is directed at negative 45 degrees. So I went ahead and drew it for you. We have our magnitude is equal to 1, and the since it's a negative 45-degree triangle, we know um, the change in x is root 2 over 2, and the change in y is negative root 2 over 2. So here are the three different ways to write this same vector. So in component form, it'd be the change in x, comma change in y with the pointy brackets. So something like root 2 over 2, comma negative root 2 over 2. As a linear combination, we use our unit vectors I and j. So how many unit vectors to the right did we move? Root 2 over 2i. You can bold it or put the arrow. And then minus root 2 over 2j. Bold it or put the arrow. The arrow is easier to do on your own paper. Okay. Now the trig form of a vector is basically a different way to write a linear combination, but how did we get the value of root 2 over 2? Well, remember it is r cosine theta, so our magnitude was 1 times the cosine of negative 45 degrees times the vector I minus or plus 1 times the sine of negative 45 degrees times j. You can evaluate these and then it'll give you the linear combination. I hope that helps.